Good day everyone, I am Diana Francesca Idi Pacola from BTBTED FCM 3B, and now I will be explaining to you the 21st century basic competencies under footwear making NC2. Together with my co-member, for the first competency is participate in workplace communication. So the discussion is basically kailangan marunong tayong makipag-communicate sa workplace, hindi lang basta nagsasalita pero dapat clear yung sinasabi natin, and marunong din tayong makinig sa instructions, lalo na sa supervisor natin, kasi kung hindi tayo nakikinig or hindi malinaw yung communication, pwedeng magkamali sa trabaho. So importante talaga na nagkakaintindihan ang lahat. And the second competency is work in team environment. The discussion is, dito kailangan marunong tayong makisama sa ibang tao. Hindi pwedeng solo lang tayo. Kasi kailangan marunong tayong mag-cooperate, tumulong at rumespeto sa roles ng bawat isa. For example, paggawa ng sapatos or iba't iba yung task. So kailangan nagtutulungan para matapos ng maayos at on time. So both communication and teamwork are very important para maging productive tayo at magkaroon ng magandang working relationship sa workplace. And that's all for my part, and the next basic competencies will be discussing by Ms. Protomartyr.
Good day everyone. So I am Mary Rose C. Protomartyr. So we come now to the third unit of competency, NC2 level. So the third is solve and address general workplace problems. So this competency focuses on identifying issues and finding practical solutions. NC2 workers should be able to handle routine problems independently, using critical thinking and basic decision-making skills to maintain workflow efficiency. So, ang competency na ito ay tungkol sa kakayahan mong mag-identify ng mga problema sa workplace at maghanap ng practical solutions. So, bilang NC2 worker, inaasahan na kaya mong i-handle ang mga common o routine problems nang hindi laging umaasa sa supervisor. So, gamit ang critical thinking at tamang decision making, mas napapadali mo ang trabaho at napapanatili ang maayos na workflow. So, next is the develop career and life decisions. So, this involves setting personal and professional goals and making informed choices. At the NC2 level, individuals begin to plan their career paths, improve their skills, and adapt to workplace changes for long-term growth. So, in this develop career and life decisions, ito naman ay tungkol sa pagset ng personal at professional goals mo sa buhay. So, sa level na ito po, nagsisimula ka ng magplano para sa future career mo, kung paano mas mapapa-improve ang skills mo, at kung paano ka mag-a-adjust sa changes sa workplace. So, ito po ay mahalaga rin po ito para sa long-term growth at success mo. So, next po is to contribute to workplace innovation. So, this competency encourages workers to share ideas and suggest improvements. Even at NC2 level, employees can help enhance processes, increase efficiency, support a culture of creativity in the workplace. So, ito naman po ang competency ay hinihikayat ka ng mag-share ng ideas at mag-suggest ng improvements sa trabaho. So, kahit NC2 level pa lang, may role ka na po na pagpapaganda ng proseso sa workplace. So, sa pamamagitan ng pagiging creative at proactive, nakakatulong ka sa pagpapabilis ng trabaho at sa pagdevelop ng mas innovative na environment.
Good morning everyone. I am the next discussant for present relevant information. This refers to organizing and delivering information clearly, whether verbally or in written form. NC2 workers should be able to report progress, explain tasks, and share important details effectively with others. And then for the next is practice occupational safety and health policies and procedures. This refers to competency, ensures that workers follow safety rules and regulation to prevent accidents at the NC level. Understanding and applying safety practices is essential to protect oneself and others in the workplace.
For the next competency, we have exercise efficient and effective sustainable practices in the workplace. And the discussion is this involves using resources wisely and minimizing waste. In situ workers are expected to practice environmentally responsible actions such as proper material usage and energy conservation. And for the last basic competencies, we have practice entrepreneurial skills in the workplace. And the discussion is this competency includes basic business-minded skills such as initiative, resourcefulness, and financial awareness. At the NC2 level, it helps workers recognize opportunities, improve productivity, and potentially start small business ventures. And that's all the discussion of our group. Thank you.